is one of the most new place in Singapore. Look at this. This is Lamborghini. See, this is Lamborghini, and cars like this will be plenty. Not only one. I'll show you how many and what type of. See again, second Lamborghini. Have you seen like this? So many cars in a series. The other cars that you can see is your like this. See, this is GLE 450. You can understand this. Again, this is 4 EOI, right? And see, this is Ferrari. Look at this. Yeah, the logo. This is Ferrari. So Ferrari, Mercedes. See this car. Porsche, right? All this. Go to the other side. In Singapore, the food dining stop at around 9:30. So you cannot get food after 9:30, but you can drink. You can drink till late. That is allowed, but food after 9:30 is not allowed. So any restaurant if you go, they will not going to serve you food, right? So you have to be very mindful when you are coming to Singapore. Yeah, these are all very famous restaurants. Sushi, Sakuta, Highlander. These are all very big brand as well. So this is not that it is Singapore based. They're all international brands, right? So look at this. This is Suntec City. So one side you have Marina Square, one side you have Melina Walk, and the other side is your Suntec City. So these are the combination. This is the most happening place in Singapore. Most, I am very careful of my words. This is most. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah. This is Park Collection. Currently, I am standing at Suntec City. It's a very famous place in Marina Bay, and you can see how the tall buildings. These are basically office buildings, mostly office buildings and hotels. All the famous hotels are around, and there is a MRT line as well. So this side is Bugis. Usually people come here for hang around, have food, and then those who come from outside as a traveler from other country for business purpose or for merely for the travel purpose as a tourist, they come around, stay here. There are a lot of good hotels around. This is Park Royal Collection. Then we have Conard. Then we have Pan Pacific. These are the big brand hotels, and one of the view basically from Pan Pacific where I'm staying is seeing towards the Marina Bay Sand, the most famous iconic wheel that you see, the hotel at the top and 3 pillars. That is very iconic. So so this is the place, right? And this is Conard Hotel. This is Conard, and behind that is Pan Pacific. And as I show you in other video, night out by the richest of Singaporean. They come here, enjoy their food, drink, and this is social kind of gathering that they do, and enjoy their days, right? stay tuned. I'll keep showing the videos of Singapore. This is the restaurant where I dined day before yesterday. That was great experience in itself. But as I said in other video, at 9:30 the entire restaurant get closed. They can serve the liquor, but they cannot serve food after 9:30. See, this is Millenia Walk. Millenia Walk is very famous, very famous here. A lot of international brand restaurants are there, and a lot of good places to booze. Yeah, as I showed you in video, this is the same place. So I am ending today my day. Just hang around with me for any other videos from Singapore. I'll try to grab one. Thank you so much. Good night.